Hello viewers and welcome back to Real JeRi, your go-to channel for exploring transformative development projects across Africa and around the world. Today, we're stepping into the exciting world of innovation and sports as we explore the remarkable Talanta Sports Complex in Nairobi, Kenya. But before we dive in, make sure to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and tapping the notification bell to stay updated on our latest discoveries. Nestled in the heart of Nairobi lies the Talanta Sports Complex, a beacon of modernity and ambition, known also as the Talanta Sports City. Strategically positioned in the vibrant Jamhuri Grounds area along Ngong Road, this state-of-the-art facility, currently under construction, symbolizes Kenya's pursuit to elevate its sports infrastructure to global standards. The inception of this complex marks a pivotal moment in Kenya's journey towards excellence and advancement in the realm of sports. The Talanta Sports Complex is proof of the Kenyan government's unwavering commitment to sports development. It is a multifaceted facility with a unique design that oozes a distinct Kenyan flavor, designed to reflect the best of Kenyan culture and nurture local talent and host international sports events. In a groundbreaking move, a public-private partnership with the China Road and Bridge Corporation was forged to bring this grand vision to life. The construction of this modern stadium signifies a significant stride in Kenya's preparations to host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations that will be held jointly by Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. This is in addition to the ongoing renovation works at the Kasarani Stadium, which is set to be completed soon before action moves to Nyayo National Stadium. At the heart of the Talanta Sports Complex stands the FIFA Standard Football Stadium, a grand edifice with a seating capacity for 60,000 spectators. This stadium, built exclusively for football and not having an athletics track, is also capable of hosting rugby matches and will host both the opening and closing ceremonies of the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. This legacy project is expected to cost $250 million, boasting a meticulously maintained grass surface on a 105 meters by 68 meters pitch, promising an unparalleled viewing experience. Luxurious VIP lounges, cutting-edge media centers, and advanced lighting and sound systems within the stadium ensure a world-class ambience for all attendees, all aligning to FIFA and CAF's requirement standards. Beyond the main stadium, the complex unfolds with multiple training pitches catering to diverse sports disciplines, including both grass and synthetic surfaces. An indoor arena awaits, ready to host basketball, volleyball, and badminton matches with a seating capacity of 10,000 spectators. The Aquatic Center, a crowning jewel, features Olympic-sized and diving pools, complemented by water polo and synchronized swimming facilities, expanding the complex's sporting horizons. Rooted in modern architectural styles while honoring Kenya's rich cultural heritage, the Talanta Sports Complex integrates sustainability features, energy-efficient systems, and extensive green spaces. The construction process, led by the China Road and Bridge Corporation, navigates through a journey of challenges and triumphs, with a detailed timeline aiming for completion by December 2025. Innovative solutions and adaptive strategies have been key in overcoming obstacles, ensuring the project remains on course to realization. It will also fulfill requirements for top-level live TV broadcasts, VAR, and goal line technology comparable to the very best international stadia across the world. The Talanta Sports Complex isn't just about sports. It's a catalyst for economic growth and social development. Job creation opportunities, skill development programs, and the promise of sports tourism underscore the economic benefits of this grand endeavor. From enhancing local businesses to promoting health and wellness initiatives, the complex is poised to uplift the community and foster a culture of active living and engagement. Looking ahead, the Talanta Sports Complex is gearing up to host prestigious sports events, including the Africa Cup of Nations in 2027, positioning Kenya as a dynamic sports destination. As a legacy project, the complex is set to shape the sporting landscape for generations to come, and plans for meticulous maintenance and continuous improvement must be put in place to ensure its enduring impact on Kenyan sports. In conclusion, the Talanta Sports Complex stands as a symbol of Kenya's dedication to excellence and progress in the realm of sports infrastructure. With its cutting-edge features, economic benefits, and commitment to community development, this complex embodies the spirit of unity and ambition. Stay tuned as we witness the unfolding of this monumental project. Remember to like this video, subscribe to Real JeRi for more inspiring content, and hit the notification bell to join us on our journey of exploration and discovery.